Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 6, Day 4, English Reading and Writing class. Children, in the last class, we have practiced Unit 1 Prose, that is, who did Patrick's homework. Today, we shall practice the Unit 1 poem, A House, a Home, in your Honeysuckle book, page number 15. First, I will read the poem once. Listen carefully and then you can repeat along with me. Listen carefully, children. A house, a home. What is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner. Then read the poem. So this poem is fully about a house and a home. Now I will read the poem once. Listen carefully, children. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Lauren M. Halley. Now look at the first stanza, children. What is a house? H-O-U-S-E, house. What is a house? It is in a short form. It is mentioned as it's. It's brick and stone. Brick, B-R-I-C-K, brick. Brick and stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone. It's brick and stone. And wood, W-O-O-D, wood. And wood, that is, it's a short form as that's. That's hard, H-A-R-D, hard. And wood, that's hard. Some window glass, window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window glass. Some window glass and perhaps, P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps, perhaps, and perhaps a yard, Y-A-R-D, yard, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves, E-A-V-E-S, eaves, eaves, it's eaves, and chimneys, C-H-I-M-N-E-Y-S, chimneys, chimneys, it's eaves and chimneys, and tile floors, T-I-L-E, tile floors, F-L-O-O-R-S, floors, and tile floors, it's eaves and chimneys and tile floors, and stucco and roof, S-T-U-C-C-O, stucco and roof, R-O-O-F, roof, and lots of doors, lots, L-O-T-S, lots of doors, D-O-O-R-S, doors. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Now look at the second paragraph, children. That is second stanza. What is a home? It's loving, L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. It's loving and family and doing for others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unshellfish acts. UN unshellfish. SELFISH shellfish. It's unshellfish. Unshellfish acts and kindly sharing. SHARING sharing. And kindly sharing and showing your loved ones. Showing your loved ones. You are always caring. You are always caring. 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 Lauren M. Halley. So read this poem, children. That is page number 15. Practice this poem. A house, a home. Children, in the last class we have practiced up to page number 2. Today we shall practice the page number 3. First mention the date. Here that is 12/8/2021. First mention the date, children. 12/8/2021. Children, look at this stroke, children. First you have to draw the lines like this. See, in each stroke you have to draw the line in between the strokes, children. Then only you can write as in a line. So look at me. First you have to do the tracing. See, this tracing you have to start from this second line and touch the fourth line. Again there is a fold here. You have to bend here and you have to go above. So this is the touching point. So look at me here. The middle line is the touching point. So you have to make it like this. See, start from here. That is from the second line. Start from here, come down and then again bend here. Here there is a bend. So bend here and then go above. So look at me. One more time I am writing here. Start from here, come down, bend like this, then go above. Here this is the touching point, children. For this two strokes there is a like this, one above to below and then from below to above. You have to do like this. This is the middle point. Look at this, the next one. One more time I am writing, children. See, look at me. See, come like this and bend like this and it should go above. This is the touching point. Now look at me. One more time I am writing here. See, come down, bend here and then it should go above. One more time, listen, children. Start from here, come down, then bend like this and then go above. Likewise you have to first draw the tracing, children. After completing the tracing you have to go by the next two lines is there. You have to do the same thing. So look at me. Look at me. Start from here. See, this is the touching point. See, start from here, come down and then give a bend, slide bend and it should go above. Again look at me. Start from here, come down and put a small bend and it should go like this. See, one more time look at me, children. Start from here, come down and it should go above. Look at me. One more time writing, children. Start from here. We should not go from the first line. We should start from the second line. Here start from here, then come down and here there must be a bend, children. So look at me carefully and you have to do. Again one more time, listen. Start from here, come down and it should join here. So likewise you have to do this. By the next line also you have to do the same thing, children. Start from here and then come down, go again a slight bend. So one more time, listen, children. Start from here, come down and it should bend. So like this you have to do the tracing, children. After completing this tracing you have to practice this two lines, come down and it should touch. So likewise you have to practice it, children. So after completing this, come to the next one. Look at this, children. It is like small tick mark. How you will start from here. See, start from here. First tracing is very important. Don't give both sharp. See, look at me. Come down and then it should go above. See, again come down and it should touch here. Again look at me like a V. It must be somewhat straight and it should slanting. So somewhat straight and then slanting. Again look at me, somewhat straight and then it should slanting. Again straight and then slanting. So likewise you have to do the tracing, children. After completing this tracing, you have to go by the next line. Look at me how I am writing. See, start from this second line and it touch from the third line. These two small lines you have to use it. You should not go for the first line and the fourth line. So again look at me, children. Start from here. See, somewhat straight and it must bend like this. Somewhat straight and it must bend. See, look at me. There must be a bend like this. See, don't put the V as a short, somewhat bend. It should be slightly somewhat bend. See, look at me. Likewise, you have to do this, children. See, look at me. Again, one more time I am writing, children. Look at me and write. Start from here. Come down and put on slide. See, look at me. Start from here. Put on slide. Again, start from here. Come down and bend like this. Touch here. See, one more time. See, likewise. First this line somewhat straight and little line must be and it should touch this. See, look at me and it like touch like this. So these two lines you have to use, children. The second line and third line you have to use it. So practice like this, children. First to do the tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to do the next two lines. So totally 6 lines you have to write. First mention the date, sharpen your pencil and you can practice your handwriting. So children, take your honeysuckle book, take page number 15, that is unit 1, poem, a house, a home. Read the poem, practice it well, pronounce it properly, open your mouth, read louder. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, that is page number 3, mention the date, write it neatly, sharpen your pencil. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.